Hello everyone, welcome to Pod. Mr. Rahul Gandhi's allegations about the stock market crash.
प्रधानमंत्री ने, होम मिनिस्टर ने और फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने
2024 elections in India claim that these market movements are not just financial fluctuations but are manipulated to influence electoral outcomes. Rahul Gandhi asserts that the timing of these stock market crashes or booms is deliberately set to coincide with elections to sway public opinion and electoral results. He references specific dates and events where stock market movements seem suspiciously timed with key electoral milestones, suggesting a pattern that goes beyond normal market volatility. The allegations are backed by data on trading volumes and insider activity that Rahul Gandhi claims are anomalous and indicative of manipulation. He has urged for thorough investigations into these instances to uncover any potential manipulation and identify the entities involved. If true, these manipulations could undermine the fairness and integrity of the electoral process, suggesting that economic tools are being used strategically to influence political outcomes. Rahul Gandhi's allegations about stock market manipulation 4th June crash as the biggest stock market crash scam, one that pushed up the markets after fake exit polls, saw a record transaction on 3rd June and then crashed a day later when the votes were counted. Prime Minister, Home Minister and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman commented on the stock market for the first time during the polls. Could have serious implications for investor confidence. If investors believe that market dynamics are subject to political manipulation, it might lead to decreased investment in the stock markets due to perceived instability and unfair practices. This uncertainty can make investors wary, potentially leading to reduced market participation, increased volatility, and a cautious approach to long-term investments in the Indian market. Such a scenario could deter both domestic and international investors, affecting the overall investment climate and economic health of the country. A new dawn for India's economy? Following positive after for NDA alliance forming government on Sunday. This market enthusiasm is buoyed by expectations of continued policy stability and is further supported by strong corporate earnings and favorable global market trends. Analysts recommend a buy on dips strategy, focusing on infrastructure and consumer goods sectors that are expected to benefit from government policies. This rebound highlights the resilience of the Indian stock market and optimism about the country's economic prospects. For updates, subscribe our channels and click bell icon for daily notification.